welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about what I think is one of the most innovative designs I've ever seen in a 3-in-1 MagSafe compatible wireless charging station. Now, this is by a company called GuMosh, and this design is just, I love it. It's sleek, it's elegant, it's modern. I mean, look at that. It looks like a little pyramid, a little triangle, and it is available in both black and white, so you can get it in either color that you want. Now, let's talk about what is so cool about this. 3-in-1, it'll charge your MagSafe compatible iPhone, it will charge your Apple Watch, and it will charge your AirPods or really any earbuds that are compatible with Qi Wireless Charging. So let me show you how this works. Obviously, here in front, you've got the MagSafe compatible wireless charger. You can throw your phone on there. It'll stick to it. It'll charge at 15 watts, fast 15 watt charging, which is great. Also, just know that in the box, they do include the 20 watt power brick as well as the Type-C to Type-C cord to power this, because you got to make sure you're getting the right amount of power in order to get all the great features of this and charge 3-in-1. So they include that in the box so you don't have to worry about getting that separately. So you throw your phone on there. Vertical mode, horizontal mode, either works. In horizontal mode, you can get that new iPhone feature where it kind of turns into a smart display. That works with this just great. Now, what about your Apple Watch? Well, when you need to charge your Apple Watch, right here on the back, I'm going to pull that down. Look at that. Right there. You can charge your Apple Watch on the back. Just throw your Apple Watch on there. Now your Apple Watch can be charging. And you're like, okay, but what about the AirPods or other earbuds? Where are those going to go? This is where it gets even cooler. Look at this. You flip this around, and there's a little spot right there. That is a Qi Wireless Charger. You can throw your AirPods on there. You can throw your Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Basically, any earbuds that support wireless charging, you throw on there, and they will get wirelessly charged as well. This still works for your iPhone. You can still put your iPhone on here in vertical or horizontal, and it'll be getting the MagSafe charging while your Apple Watch is charging, while your earbuds are charging. You can do all three at the same time, or any one of these, how you see fit, which is great. Now, I love this. I love the look of this. A couple of other things about it. Besides the fact that it's just so sleek, it has such a small footprint. That's one thing I like about it. I'm using it at work, on my desk at work, because I like that it doesn't take up a lot of space, but has the ability to charge all the stuff I have at work, which is great. It does have a nice little LED down here on the front that lights up when you have something on it to let you know that it is charging, which is great. It has a very small footprint. As I said, doesn't take up a lot of space, and does have nice rubber feet on the bottom so that it won't slide around on your nightstand or your desk. Just a really amazingly awesome product by GuMosh. The design, whoever came up with this design, I think is brilliant because it's so simple, but so cool and so unique, and just looks really great. I love the fact that if I'm not charging earbuds, I can use it like this and throw my phone out like this. But if I want to charge those earbuds, I just flip it up, throw my earbuds on here. And then if I need to charge my phone, I can still throw my phone on there and it can be getting charged as well. And if I need to charge my Apple Watch, then I can just pull that down, throw my Apple Watch on there, be getting any or all of those devices charged at the same time. Really, really awesome product. Again, it is available in black, as you see here, as well as white. So you can get whichever color works for your personal taste and style or decor, and just really excellent product by GuMosh. If you're looking for a 3-in-1 wireless charging station, then this to me is one of the best ones. It's just so cool. I just love the look of it and the design. It's great and it works great. Everything you need is in the box. Really excellent product, and definitely one that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.